Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Co-Help is available to offer precisely what you might require. Whether it is related to writing, creating, conversing, shopping, arranging, traveling, or coding, Co-Helper is versatile enough to address all your requirements. To start using Copilot, simply click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Once you have signed up and logged into your account, you will discover a variety of features Copilot has to offer. You can explore these features by selecting different questions. For example, if you choose the question, "What is a good budget hotel chain that usually has a pool?" Copilot will swiftly provide you with an answer. It may even suggest specific hotels. There are a lot of questions to choose from, and each one gives you fast answers and more hotel ideas. You're not limited to just travel-related queries. You can ask Copilot anything, from creating a grocery list for a seafood meal to seeking advice on whether to buy a road bike or a mountain bike for exercise. If you want more information on our particular topic, such as finding the best reviewed coffee grinder, Copilot will provide you with a detailed answer. For example, if you inquire about the Baradza Encore, Copilot will elaborate on its design, grinding mechanism, and grind consistency. If you're interested in exploring new topics, simply click on New Topic and choose a conversation style that suits you, such as creative, balanced, or precise. You can enhance your conversations by adding images. Just select an image from your device or take a photo. Then click Open to upload it. Copilot can provide answers based on the content of the image. For example, if you ask it to create a picture like this, Copilot will generate a similar image for you. Once you have inputted your query, click on the Send button to receive a quick answer from Copilot. As you can see, Copilot is capable of generating images and providing detailed responses, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.